So, when are you gonna do it? When are you gonna look for an alternative income other than working the job you're currently working on? Now you can see how fragile the world economy is. Now you can see you've been forced to work from home. Now you can see that any career is a vulnerable career if you're working for somebody else. When are you gonna do it then, in this case? I believe now is a golden opportunity, now that you are potentially having to work from home. Now you have many additional free hours you used to spend commuting to and from your work to explore other alternative sources of income that can be made online. Income that won't put you at risk of traveling to and from your work. Income that will secure you of being made redundant or in case your company is going out of business. At the end of last summer, the business I work for decided to make many of the external consultants like myself redundant, and I lost my contract. I thought I had a secure job. It went just like this in a nanosecond. And I was in a very bad place. I had no idea what I was going to do. I was not sure what I could offer. I was terrified I would let my family down. So a month later, I stumbled upon an online training that started teaching me step by step how to build an online business from scratch, and introduced me to a community of people who were doing exactly the same. Those people could help me overcome the mental obstacles that I had, that I put in my own way of preventing me from succeeding. So I took those steps. I had nothing to lose. Maybe today you have nothing to lose. And I kept taking those steps. Today I'm on the way to build my own financial independence by creating alternative income streams. And I'm truly blessed. I'd like to, at this very moment of time, share the same with you, because I think now is a pivotal moment in our history where literally thousands of people are at risk of losing their jobs and careers through no fault of their own. I think this is a golden opportunity for them to explore alternative ways to earn an income and provide with more financial security and time freedom. Working from home or working anywhere in the world like I do, provided that the planes are still flying. So if I pricked your interest, all you need to do is allow yourself the courage to try. You can provide me with your contact details below, and I will send you a series of free video tutorials. And who knows, it may be just the best videos you've ever seen, because they might change your life. See you soon on the other side.